So you've just downloaded EntraClean from Metropolis after filling out the form. It's going to contain a zip file. That zip file you're going to need to extract, preferably to your C drive under Data and EntraClean, which is the default folder when extracting it. You'll notice there's 4 files: dnumbers, which is your Webex phone users, your numplan, which is your Cisco CUCM numplan, and your users, which are your Entra or Active Directory users. This PBIT file is your Power BI template file. You can double click on it, and assuming that you have Power BI desktop installed on your Windows computer, it will open up. If not, you'll need to download Power BI desktop. In my case, I have Power BI desktop installed to where simply double clicking on it, I'm able to open up the PBIT file, which has an instruction set of what to do next. So when this opens up, there are going to be some fields that I need to enter in that are mandatory and some fields that are non-mandatory. For example, I'm going to just be grabbing the CSVs out of a local folder. So I'm going to leave that local folder set. Then I'm going to define the local folder path, which the local folder path, if you remember, was the C drive data EntraClean. Now, the last and final mandatory field is the numplan. So that was numplan.csv going into the parameter for the numplan file name. You'll notice if I need additional assistance, there are tooltips giving you explanations on the different options. Once you've entered in each one of those different fields, simply click load, and this is going to load the CSV files into the semantic model, build the data model, and enable you to analyze your Webex calling, Cisco Unified Communication Manager numplan, and your Entra users. So you'll see that it's loading data into the model. It is adding the rows to the table, and now it has finished loading the data set into EntraClean. Notice that there's a refresh. Always encourage a refresh for the first time. And now you'll notice that I have my About screen, summary, details, and description. We appreciate the opportunity to present EntraClean to help keep your directories tidy for whatever purpose, but maybe your migration over to Webex, or just understanding licensing for Metropolis, or just, again, keeping your directories tidy. Have a wonderful day.